Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we are going to talk about a taxonomical aid which is known as a key. So what is a key? Key is a taxonomical aid which is basically artificial and it's an analytical device. So very important to be noted is like we know about different types of taxonomic aids like zoological parks, botanical gardens, museums and herbaria. So those are taxonomical aids which we can see, which we can feel. But a key is a taxonomical aid which we cannot see. It's mostly based on analytical calculations. Now, in a key, a couplet or two contrasting characters are used. Now, each statement of this key is known as a lead. Now, let us look into some of the types of keys. Key can be of two types, indented key and bracketed key. So, what is an indented key? Indented key contains sequence of choices between two or more contrasting characters. Now here, by careful selections of the characters at each subdivision, we can extract the name of the organism. In case of bracketed key, what we do is like here use of contrasting characters are used. This is similar to that which is performed in case of indented key, but here these are not separated by intervening subdivision characters. So this is the difference between indented and bracketed. Here there is no subdividing characters in between them. So in this video we have talked about a taxonomical aid which is key, which is a very important analytical type of calculation which is done over here, and we have talked about the two different types of key that can be done, that is indented key and bracketed key. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.